here's the question for you. How many of you have heard the phrase, the name, Broderie Perse?
I never had.
Well, Broderie Perse is actually a French term, I should say, about Parisian embroidery. And this was been dated back to the 1700s, Kyle.
What?
Yeah.
Really?
Back to the 1700s. But one of the reasons why they did this is because the fabric, which was called chintz fabric, chintz fabric, that was a very expensive fabric. So what they ended up doing was they would take other cloth that was much less expensive, cut out the chintz fabric into the motifs, and then they would put it on the background. So how do you do it? Well, it's basic applique, isn't it? So let's take a look at some of the things that I pulled out from my stash. We all have that stash, right? Mm-hmm. And so when you go through your stash, you're looking for these large prints. So what happens is you create some kind of design with just the motifs only. So you notice I don't have a full, trunk.
Yeah.
The tree trunk is not brown.
But you've got like 3 different pieces
I've got
down
lots
there.
of different things going on here. What I did here was I just cut it up into blocks, and I fused a fusible on here. Kyle, you're going to have the pleasure of cutting this out.
How fun.
Go ahead and choose, maybe let's cut out some of those.
Okay.
Okay, thanks, Kyle. So I could decide wherever I want this to be. Right? I can do some overlapping if I want. I could cut out another branch and then have this maybe hanging out there.
Some way you got to tack it down.
Well, I'll tell you, the best way to tack it down and have it not look like it's tacked down is using monofilament thread.
That's a good idea.
Yes, because did you know that I actually have some of this tacked down already? You wouldn't know it.
I've even had my eyes done.
Yeah. Some of it is
I do
down.
see it now, but no, I couldn't even tell.
Yeah, it's because I used monofilament thread. So go ahead to the machine, Kyle.
Go, please.
And I'm going to let you stitch on my block.
Wow, this is big.
I completely trust you.
You can't even tell that I went off.
No, you can't. I think it looks beautiful, Kyle. So that's how easy it is, and that is what's called Broderie Perse. So now you can, at your next guild meeting, be like, do you guys know the term Broderie Perse?
Broderie
Perse.